Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching the new Glam Cosmetics Retro Eyeliners. These are pastel eyeliners that are activated with water, and I will be doing eye swatches, arm swatches, and letting you guys know my overall review. So if you want to see the swatches, just keep watching. If y'all are wondering what nail polish I'm wearing, it's always Hollow Taco. I will list the details down below. To start off, I want to talk about the packaging. These come in the cutest little like ice cream moment. Like they come with this beautiful packaging. It's gorgeous. These are the shades. You get 7 shades and they're so beautiful. They retail for $45 US in the bundle, but they are available individually. I absolutely adore these, not gonna lie. If you're wondering the names, they are Ice Pop, Key Lime, Banana Split, Peaches and Cream, Pink Velvet, Gelato, and Blue Raspberry. Gelato's my favorite, of course. These are smudge proof, as you guys can see. They are also UV reactive, meaning that if you use a UV light on them, they will be like bright and neon. It's actually really, really cool. As you guys can see in these photos, I don't have a UV light, but still. This is a cruelty-free and vegan product. This is the eye look I did, and honestly, I'm in love. As you guys saw in the swatches, they're really nice. Basically, it's a water-activated formula. This is kind of their little rundown on the product. For anyone wondering how to apply this product, this is their instructions straight from their website. Basically, all you need is some water, and you put water in a like cup, and then you put it on your brush, and then you put the brush in the product, and bada bing, bada boom, you got an eyeliner. It's really simple, actually. I have pretty watery eyes, and they even lasted on my outer corner, which is amazing. Obviously, the pastels are the only ones I'm talking about from this look. The neons are something else. I did do some comparisons of the Glam eyeliners with the Killer Queen Spring paint pods. They're honestly like identical. I bought them both because I was very curious if they would be the same, and they were. Killer Queen is a little bit cheaper, and formula wise they are sort of the same. I need to use them more before I can decide if one's better than the other, but I really like both. I would honestly suggest getting some pastel eyeliners. I'm also going to be trying the JD Glow ones when they're back in stock because they're pastel, and I love pastels. So if you guys have any other pastel products that you think I should try, let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching this review, swatch video, everything. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Not for you. Not for you. Oh my goodness. You're so sweet, Simon. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. Oh. Hi.
Did we answer it?
Mom went outside, so.
So yes.
Yes.
And now we're in fucking bed.
Yeah, I'm sure you are.
It's gonna kill him.
No, he's cool.
Do it again. Come on, do it
I'll get
again.
him to do it again. Come on.
Back door.
Oh. Yeah.
That could take long.
Well,
And
take-
Dad will just help too. Oh,
He's like, I'm tired now. Oh.
Huh?
It's like, oh.
He's like, never mind, I don't want to play anymore.
Good boy.
Chunky man.
You're very chunky.
Hi.
He's so cute. He's like, okay. Effie.